Say hello, beautiful people.
Hello.
There you go. Well done.
Hi guys, so this is day 2 of our Banff trip. Not a very successful day so far. We went to Sunshine Village. There was 1 kilometer of queue with people and cars parked, and then we decided to go to Lake Louise. The parking area was full, and then the Moraine Lake, the road was closed.
Yeah.
And on top, we also wanted to go to Johnston Canyon Trail. Also the road was closed. So far we have been driving around. Okay, it's gorgeous here, so we are seeing that. But yeah, we weren't able to achieve any of the things that was planned.
Indeed. So what are we gonna do today?
We will continue trying our luck. So now we will go to the Fairmont Banff Hotel. Behind that there should be some frozen snowfall, so hopefully we'll see that. And look at this, by the way, this is so gorgeous.
Yeah, really gorgeous. Look at it, guys.
Here's an important note for those who want to come to Banff. If you're coming for a weekend, you have to go out very early to be able to see these attractions. Otherwise it's either fully booked or you need to wait ridiculous hours to be able to get in.
Putting up this signpost in this viewing area is such a brilliant idea. Each signpost gives you information of what mountain you are looking at, as well as its height. From this area, you will see the Tunnel Mountain, the Rundle, the Caven Basin, the Sulphur, and the Mount Bourgeois. Descriptions and special features of these mountains are available in the area, as well as the history of the mountain's formation. It is great to spend some time here and just enjoy the scenic view.
Look at this, guys. Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel is gorgeous.
Hi guys!
Hey, look at where we are now. This is the Bow Falls at Banff.
Yes.
It's a gorgeous scenery. A frozen small waterfall.
Bow Falls is a major waterfall on the Bow River here in Banff, a town in Alberta, Canada. The falls are within walking distance of both Banff and the Banff Springs Hotel, so they are visited by many tourists despite their relatively small size. Mind you, it may be small in size, but it offers an immense scenic beauty. It is quite fascinating.
You can do it!
Yes, we're cheering for you.
Yes.
USA. Step by step.
Okay, we're gonna go closer to the water. Gotta be careful. We don't want to injure ourselves. Look at that. So.
Get the phone. Slide down.
One step at a time. And we did it! Usain is there. We need to catch him. Oh, this is amazing! Guys, take a closer look at the water. It's so gorgeous!
We are so happy to get this close to capture this captivating moment. It feels like the water is teasing us with its beauty, swaying against the ice on top of it. Let us know how you will describe this.
There's Usain. What can you say?
Amazing.
Yoo-hoo!
Who wouldn't be amazed with this gorgeous beauty? It may be small, but really, really gorgeous nonetheless.
Guys, Banff is so gorgeous.
Magical.
Very. Oh my.
And now we're gonna climb that.
I'll show you where we're gonna climb.
Yeah, there.
There. We will see.
If we don't make it, it was a good run. We enjoyed life.
Okay. Let's go.
Guys, we would just like to emphasize that we will be walking on the ice with water running below it. We are not sure if it's totally safe. There's no trail to follow, but we'll be very careful. Let's go!
Oh. I wonder when it's gonna totally melt.
Wonder what?
When it's gonna totally melt, the ice, the snow. Oh. Uh-oh. Careful. Gotta be careful. Oh my gosh. I can hear water. The current. Yeah. Alright baby, we made it. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think you can see it. Look at the current below the ice. This is amazing. We are on top of it. And oh my gosh, again. I couldn't help it. I'll be saying oh my gosh often.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! We made it! Look!
Very cool. Very, very cool.
Oh yes.
I think one of the coolest things I ever did.
Yes. My gosh.
The color of the water and the pace. we are on it.
Yes, indeed. That's what I meant. It's crazy. I'll show you a better view, guys. Guys, look at these gorgeous falls. Oh my gosh. enough of this view, but we have to go to the other side. I'm sorry, baby?
Don't be far away.
Sure. So we're gonna move on. We'll go to the other side. It's a weekend here in Banff, and surprisingly this area is not too crowded. Lake Louise and I forgot the name of the other lake. Moraine, yeah, there you go. Oof, like what Hussein said, it's too crowded. Hence we will do it during weekdays. But you know, coming here, it's magical, it's beautiful, it's amazing, it's spectacular. I don't know what other adjectives I'm gonna use. It's worth it. It's alright. I mean, we didn't feel bad that we did not manage to do what we planned to do today. Oops, that's my husband. So we will go to the other side. You can see that from behind me. Are you okay, baby?
Getting there.
Baby, we made it!
Wow.
High five, my love.
I was quite stressed in the end.
I can imagine. That is very cool. Imagine we went there. Ooh. Beautiful.
We are certain you are also in awe of this view. Once upon a time, I dreamt of seeing such scenery in real life, not just on movies. Now that I'm physically here and capturing this stunning view, the feeling is surreal. Banff is absolutely gorgeous.
Guys, don't forget to check out our other videos of Banff.
If you love what you see, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for updates and share our videos. Thanks for watching. Until then,
Bye for now, guys.